It's been snowing all morning. Whew, cool out here. Whoa, I don't feel like I want to go on the road anymore. Yeah, it's not looking too good today at all. Nobody tells you how empty winter feels. Like right now, I need to go on the road to run some errands, and I'm telling you, I'm feeling so much of a low energy. Outside is bleaky. You hardly see people walking, and to top it off, outside cold. Yesterday there was a snowstorm, and now the street is full of snow and the road is wet and there's no sun shining. Right now it's like 3 p.m. and it looks like night is about to come down. Like you're never prepared for this. Even if you have been in Canada for a long time, it's like you get used to the summer and then winter just slap you like that, you know? Especially as a Jamaican girl coming from the Caribbean where it's always tropical and sunshine and nice hot weather. You can never get used to the cold. It just makes you feel demotivated because you wake up, you don't see any sun in the sky, and even if you see sun, you don't really feel it on your skin. You could be standing directly in the sun and you don't feel it on your skin. And that was a weird feeling for me when I first came to Canada because I'm like, sun is shining, but why am I not feeling it? I need to go on the road, run some errands. I need to go to the bank. I need to go to the grocery store. And one of my friend's birthday is Sunday, so I want to go grab a gift for her. You want to go on the road, you want to look nice and sexy, but guess what? It's winter. Nobody really cares about fashion like that. You just want to stay warm. But today I feel like I should dress up even though I'm not really going anywhere and nobody's gonna see me. But I just feel like I want to dress up today. So I have two options. Today I want to wear a skirt. Yeah, I want to wear a skirt. Yeah, you might be thinking like, oh, winter time and you want to wear a skirt. Yes, I feel like I want to wear a skirt today. So I have to wear these tights. So this is like a thermal tights. It's very thick. So if you look inside, it has like, it's very comfortable. It's very soft and warm inside. So yeah, I'm going to be wearing these tights today. So I'm going to be able to wear my skirt. And believe me, guys, it's hard. This is gonna take me like 5 minutes to put it on. Why? Why? You see? All this energy just to look nice and nobody's gonna see me. Why? The hardest part is out the way. Finally, I got my tights on. Jeez. It's nice, it's fitting perfect and it's comfortable. Then I want to wear a skirt. So I'm thinking maybe this because you know this looks like the winter color and it's very thick, like it's thick. And or I have this green skirt, but I don't know if, anyway, I'm gonna try on both and see how I feel. I think what I should do is put my shirt on first and then see which one works better. This is the top that I want to wear today. This doesn't give me any form of warmth whatsoever. It's very thin and see-through. But as I said, I'm driving, so I don't really have to worry about the weather like that, to be honest. Plus, I'm gonna be wearing my winter jacket over this. This, me not lie, this look nice. This is really nice. But only problem, I feel like this skirt is too short. Because when I'm walking, it's gonna be riding up, and I don't know if I'm comfortable with that. But it does look, I like it. It looks cute. It looks nice and it matches the top. Yeah, I'm gonna try the next skirt. Yeah, I think I'm gonna work with this burnt orange skirt. I think it's nicer. That one is too short, and yeah, I feel like that one is too short, so I'm gonna wear this one today. I feel nice in here. So you see how I'm well dressed. and well looking nice, and nobody will see all of this. Nobody's gonna see this because when I put my jacket on, all of that is gone. So it doesn't even make sense you dress up. But I have a closet filled with different clothes, and I'm not going anywhere to wear them because in winter time it's just work to home, work to home, work to home, and back again. One thing with me, whenever I'm going on the road, I have to take a list because I don't want to get distracted and I want to go straight to what I need to do. And I think I'm gonna just wear this bag because during the winter time I don't like to have like handbags that I have to hold in my hand because sometimes it's cold and you just want to tuck your hands in your pocket. So with this bag on my waist, that's it. I have all my stuff in it and it's on my waist and I don't have to worry about extra luggage. But in the summertime I can wear my actual handbags, but these, I really love these type of bags during the winter time. So I'm gonna pack up my bag. All right, so time for us to touch out. Let's go, guys. Let's go because it's already 3:30. 3:30. Before you know it, is night, and I don't cook dinner yet. So let's go, guys. Let's go. Oh Lord, look at the condition of my car. My car want wash. Look at that. You can write on it. You can write on it. I swear you can write on it. Dirty. Wow. Look at this. This is what winter does to your vehicle. This is what winter does to your car. See? Everything. Jano Star. It is what it is. Look at the top. Not to mention the top. My poor baby. My poor baby dirty. Start this baby up. One thing with me, as soon as I step in my car, you know where I go on? As soon as I step in my car, I'm talking about my car and how dirty my car is. You don't want to see all these other cars in front beside me. Every car dirty, I swear. And as soon as if I wash my car today, it doesn't even make any sense because by tomorrow, or no, by the next few days, like 3-4 days, it's gonna be dirty again, just like this. So the only time I really rush to wash my car is when like it was snowing and all the salt is under it. I like to like push the extra effort to go wash it at that time. But if it's just rain, no, me nah wash it. It's a waste of money. And then the type of car wash that I like to go, they're charging me like $50-$60 to wash my car because I want to clean inside and I want to clean outside. But during the summertime I like to wash the car myself. They have some car wash that you can go to and then you just wash your car by yourself, and it's cheaper that way. One thing about winter time, you have to make sure that you have your is either chapstick, lip gloss, lip balm, anything you want to call it, because this weather will dry out your lips and it will get so cracky it would even turn black. So you have to take care of moisturizing your lips all the time. Anyway, it's 4:08. Rati, almost night. So let's go. I forgot to change my shoes. I forgot to change my shoes, guys. This is my driving shoes. Problem. So yes, I got my shoes nice and clean. So I'm gonna change it. Everybody there mall today, guys. So I'm gonna check to see if there's a Bath and Body in here. You can search for wherever you. Oh, there's an Apple in here too. I'm gonna have to go to the Apple because I want to fix something on my AirPod. But before, let me stick to the point. Bath. Oh, rated. Bath. Yeah, thank you, Jesus. Because me never want to go nowhere else. So they said the Bath and Body is so. Okay. So yeah, I found where the Bath and Body is now. I hope the noise is not too much in here because it's a Thursday and I'm not expecting the mall to be this full. I swear, we don't have anywhere else to go than go to the mall. So hopefully I can find something nice in here for my friend. I hope they have sale or something. Oh, this is the man's side. Go over the woman's side. Hi. No, I'm just looking.
Oh, you already know about our princess collection. We have 7 different type of fragrance.
Oh, those are the ones at the
Exactly,
front?
the front.
Okay, I'll look.
Yeah,
Thank
sure.
you. Disney collection. Disney collections. Rapunzel. So far I found 3 that I really like, but they said buy 3 and get 1 free, so I'm trying to get that deal. One of these sprays like $18, you know, $19 basically. Show you what I have. So I have this already and I know it smells really good, but I'm wondering if I should buy 2 and then get these, or I should just buy 4 different one, but I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Something has to wow me first. But so far, this is the 4 that I have. To be honest, for a Thursday afternoon, I was not expecting the mall to be so crowded. There's so many people here. But I got my Bath and Body. I got what I came for. Now, I'm just looking for a bank so I can go to the bank. So this mall of everything, eh? I wish I had more money, but your girl broke right now, so I just have to keep my head straight. I see a lot of stores that I would want to go into, but I just had to keep my head straight. You know, like when you were younger and you go to the store with your mom and she's like, don't touch anything. When we go in the store, she give you a little pep talk and she say, don't touch nothing when you're going to the store. That's me right now. So yeah, all right, so where would the bank, if I was a bank, where would I be? The bank should be oh, look at it right there. Awesome, amazing. I like this mall. This mall have everything in here. So now I'm done at the bank. I need to just find out where did I enter so I can find where my car is parked. And your girl got a pee, but I have so much layers. I'm wearing so many layers, so it's gonna be hard for me. So I gotta go hold this until I get home. Trying to find out where I got. That's me looking in my favorite shoe store and can't even I just have to walk right past it. To be honest, I would devour all of this right now. I would devour all of this. But you know how much calories them something have? So I know. One serious problem that I have is whenever I park my car, I never remember where I parked my car. So I think I entered through here, but hopefully, let me keep my fingers crossed. I just can't get over the fact of how dirty my car is right now. This don't look good on me at all. This don't look good on me at all. No man. Watch out. No sir. Eh. Woo. All right guys, so right about now I'm gonna head to the grocery store. I really want to get green banana and yam or something of that sort, because I want to go home to cook some curry chicken and dumpling. So hopefully I can get some green banana or something, you know. Like, I don't like to cook dumpling alone. So let's go and see what we can find here. How the hell do I come out of this place? Oh my god, this here too much. Yes, I know. Why this a music and not connect? What is okay? I'll go no music. Well, if you have reached this far in the video, please remember to subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, give this video a like, and leave a comment. It's not much, it's not a lot to ask for, you know. Just help a girl out, you know. I'm trying to reach my monetization goals because I've been on this platform for so many years and I'm still not monetized. Woo. Sorry guys, advance. I have to take advantage of that, or else the light would have changed for me. So I'm going to the grocery. Hopefully I can find a close parking spot, star. I hope it's not a handicap spot. Oh shit, it's a handicap spot, guys. Shit. Where are the bus? I'm trying to go over there. these parking spots, they're tight. Said the man see me a back up and the man just in a way so star. Like what the heck? I saw you eager for going in your car? I know selector. I swear people come like they not on head. I know y'all look on me final. Well, at least I got a close parking. Park right at the door, guys. Alright, let's go. I would have gotten corn, but $5 for 4 corn. I don't know about that. I need green banana. Green, oh, it's a banana, yeah? Oh, yes. But these are ripe banana. These are the ripe bananas. So these are the grown provisions. There's no yam, but maybe I can get, what is called again, chocho? Maybe I can get chocho or sweet potato. To be honest, I really wanted the green banana, or maybe I can get one of these squash. This tastes good, but let me see. So basically right now I'm just walking up and down, because I just spoke to the man a while ago and he said he's gonna look in the back if he can find some green banana, because apart from the green banana there's no yam, it's just chocho. So I think I'm just gonna do dumpling and banana with the curry chicken. And I think I have some ripe plantain at home already. I'll just put some ripe plantain and call it a day. But I'm just walking around wasting some time or killing some time while the guy go and look for the banana in the back. And you see me walking up and down in this grocery store making me want to buy stuff with money that I don't have. So all of this, can you tell me this bunny rabbit, is for $8.99. Why? You tell me why I'm gonna pay $9 for this. Crazy. Gold bunny rabbit. These people really know how to get our money, eh? I need to get frozen vegetables. Frozen mixed vegetable. Woo. Oh Lord. Yes. I just came back. For a second I thought I forgot I was vlogging, but you guys didn't miss anything anyway. I had to wait so long to get this banana, so I'm gonna be cooking this green banana, plantain, gonna boil them, and I'm gonna be cooking some nice curry chicken. It smells so good. So this chicken, I seasoned it up from last night, so it's been marinated in the fridge, so you know all the season is already inside of the meat and everything is gonna taste nice. I didn't see any yam or like yellow yam or white yam or any type of stuff like that in the store. It was just chocho. It was chocho or dashin. I don't even know. I don't even know, but I didn't buy it because I don't know if I'm gonna like that. I'll also show you guys what I got. So I'm trying out this new snack. I tried the cheddar version before and it was pretty good. It was okay, but I'm buying this because it's very low calorie, 70 calories per 8 pieces. So, and they said they didn't fry it, popped, never fried. So I found this flavor very interesting, Korean barbecue flavor. So actually, since I'm here, let me try it and see. I thought the flavor would have been more like heavy, but it's okay. So yeah, I bought that snack and I bought frozen veggies and I saw the peanut punch. You know the reason why I bought this peanut punch? It's because I'm craving. I'm hungry. They always say don't go to the grocery store when you're hungry, because the only reason why I bought this is because I was feeling hungry. And I don't know if I'm even gonna drink it now because it's 260 calories for just this. I don't know if I want to gamble all of that. So I bought 2 peanut punch. I also bought some frozen mixed vegetable. I never really went to the grocery store to do any big shopping anyway. I just went to get the banana, but because I had to wait so long for the banana, I just end up pick up random stuff. And then at Bath and Body, this smells really nice. Coconut. I hope my friend likes this. I hope she likes coconut, but if she likes coconut, she's gonna like this. I also saw this one, Always Fleur, I guess. These are the 2 that I want to give to her. Or I bought 1 coconut one for myself, and then I bought 2 for me and 2 for her. So this one, I know it smells really good, but I don't know. I have to decide. This one, I already have one like it. Yeah, I already have one like it, so I think I'm gonna give her this one and the coconut one. And then I keep this one for myself and another coconut one. But I'll decide what I'm gonna do when I'm settled. I'm just gonna smell them again. Whichever one that smell better, I'm gonna give it to her. So hope she likes them. So that's what I got at Bath and Body. I also went to Apple because for some reason my AirPod is saying that the owner is looking for it, which I don't know which other owner my AirPod would have. So I had to go sort that out, but the guy said I have to come back tomorrow, so I booked an appointment and I'm gonna go to Apple tomorrow, go figure out my AirPod situation. But anywho's guys, I'm pressed for time right now, so I'm gonna rush and sort out a nice meal here. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. It was nice bringing you guys on the road with me, getting back in my motion, getting back in the mojo. You see what I'm saying? I put on this lovely outfit today just for nobody to see me in it. I swear. That's it. And that's winter for you. That's how winter is. You dress up nice. That's why a lot of people don't even waste time to even dress up. They have a 1-2 sweatpants that they wear all winter long, and then when summertime come, a hot girl time. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you know somebody who's interested in my type of content, you can go ahead and share my video to them. Remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment, guys, so I know who's watching and what you guys think about the video. Let me know which part of the video was your favorite part. And yeah, that is it. I will see you guys in my next video.